Hey class, what we are going to discuss for today is about properties of quadrilaterals. So those are examples of quadrilaterals and then we are going to explain them isa-isa. So let us define first what is a quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is a two-dimensional figure with four sides and four angles. The word quad means four and lateral means sides. So kapag pagkukumbanin natin, quadrilateral means four na sides. So lahat ng figure na may four sides are called quadrilateral. So next, look around you. Do you see shapes in this room? Could be called quadrilateral. So sa room nyo, mayroon ba kayong nakikitang mga ang shape niya is quadrilateral? So let us have an example dito. So quadrilaterals in the real world. So we have tiles. Yung mga tiles ninyo sa bahay, those are examples of quadrilaterals. Windows, walls. Mga windows, walls ninyo, those are also examples na quadrilaterals. Oven toaster. So kung makikita niyo yung shape niya, it's a type of rectangle type. So yun. So yung salamin niya sa harap, rectangle, yung parang ano niya dito, I don't know what this is. Timer or what? Screen yun. Ito, quadrilateral din. Next. Sandwich. Yung shape ng pagkain na yan, it's also quadrilateral. Table. Yung mga tables na four-sided, those are examples ng quadrilateral. So kung napapansin nyo to sa kalsada, those are also example of quadrilateral. And yun, yung mismong karatula. Yung shape ng karatula mismo, since it's four-sided, it's a type of quadrilateral. So these are types of quadrilaterals. So we have square, we have rectangle, we have trapezoid, rhombus, and parallelogram. So, isa-isahin natin yung mga yan na discuss. So, start tayo sa square. What is a square? Ganyan yung shape niya. We are all familiar sa square na shape kasi from our kindergarten hanggang sa elementary hanggang high school, actually hanggang college na encounter natin to shape na to. So maraming bagay na square ang shape. So ano nga ba yung property ng square? So number one, here, it has four sides, and number two, it has four right angles. So, lang, iyan ko yung aking pen. So, we have here, so it has four equal sides. So, equal sides, itong mga to daw, ito, tas ito, yan. They are equal and it has four right angles. So, yung mga angles daw dito, those are right angles. So, right yan, right din yan. So, that is a property, that are the property of square. So, next. Rectangle. So, ano ba yung mga property ng rectangle? A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. So, mayroon siyang four right angles. Ito, yung mga nandito mga angles na yan, those are right angles. And then, opposite sides are parallel. So, itong side na to, tapos itong side na to, parallel. So, ibig sabihin ng parallel, kahit na i-extend mo yan na diretso, yan, yung sa infinity, never sila mag-limit. Never sila mag-intersect. So, itong side daw na to, itong side na to, parallel. Tapos itong side na to, side na yan, parallel. So, that is a rectangle. Ang rectangle may apat na right angles, tapos dalawang pares ng parallel sides. Next. Oh, the question is a square a rectangle? Oh, that is a square. Rectangle din ba ang square? Remember, a rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles and opposite sides are equal and parallel. While yung square naman is a type of quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles. So, yung square ba is a rectangle? Yes. A square is a type of rectangle. Okay? Next. Yung opposite naman niya. A rectangle is a square. O remember that tayo. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. And its opposite sides are equal and parallel. A square is a quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles. Ang rectangle ba is a square? O remember, ang definition natin ng square, kailangan laging equal lahat ng sides niya. So, basically, no. The answer here is no. Not all rectangles are squares, but all squares are rectangle. So, a square can also be a rectangle. So, yun yung una. Because four right angles and its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Pero, a rectangle is not a square because it does not have equal sides. Next, a trapezoid. That is the shape of trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has exactly one pair of parallel sides. So yun. When we say parallel sides, again, parallel are lines that never meet or will never touch each other. They are equal distance apart at all points. So yun. So kahit i-extend mo siya ng diretso, never yan mag-meet kapag sinabing parallel lines. So here, sa trapezoid, meron daw exactly one pair. Kapag meron exactly one pair ng parallel side, ibig sabihin nun, it's a trapezoid. Yun lang yun. Tandaan lang yun. Ito, is this a trapezoid? Kung mapapansin nyo dun sa previous, yan yung yung general shape. Ngayon, parang hinati lang yung example natin kanina. Now, the question is this a trapezoid? The answer is yes. It has one set of parallel sides. Basta may parallel side na isang pares, ibig sabihin nun, it's a trapezoid. Yung side na yan, tas slide na yan. So, mayroong isang pair ng parallel sides, ibig sabihin nun, it's a trapezoid. Next. Rhombus. So, definition ng rhombus, ganyan yung itsura niya, ng rhombus. So, a rhombus is a quadrilateral that has four equal sides. Its opposite sides are parallel. So, lahat ng sides niyan equal. So, parang si square, equal din. Tapos, ang opposite sides daw niya is parallel. So, yun lang. Hindi niya sinabi wala siyang sinabi about sa angles ng rhombus. So, next. Basta, kapag nakakita kayo ng four equal sides, tapos opposite sides niya is parallel, ibig sabihin it's rhombus. Now, the question is, yung square ba, rhombus yun? Ang square ba is a rhombus? Yes, kasi si square may four equal sides. Tapos, yung opposite sides niya is parallel. Ibig sabihin nun, rhombus si square. Yan, yung apat na parallel sides. Next, parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are equal and parallel. So pag may nakakita kayo ng quadrilateral na yung opposite sides niya equal tapos parallel, ibig sabihin ng parallelogram yun. Which of the quadrilaterals we have seen are parallelograms? Ano ba yung mga parallelograms doon? So parallelogram si square, parallelogram si rectangle, and si rhombus. Kasi yung opposite sides nila are equal and they are parallel. Pero yung trapezoid, hindi yun parallelogram kasi mayroon siyang one set ng sides na hindi parallel. Okay? So here it is. Parallelogram or not? Square. Square is a parallelogram or not? What? Square or parallelogram? Square is a parallelogram or not? It's a parallelogram. Next. Rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram or not? Is it? So it's a parallelogram kasi the opposite sides niya ito equal. Tapos it's parallel. Parallel. So ibig sabihin, parallelogram yan. Next. Trapezoid. Ang trapezoid ba parallelogram? Yes or no? It's not a parallelogram. Kasi hindi niya masasatisfy yung parallel daw yung sides. So itong dalawang to hindi sila parallel. Hindi parallel yung dalawa. So basically, it's not a parallelogram. Next. Rhombus. Ang rhombus ba is a parallelogram? Yes, it's a parallelogram. Kasi magkabila ang side equal at para silang parallel. Next. So this is what we call the quadrilateral hierarchy. So nandyan lahat yung mga quadrilaterals natin. So si square has 4 sides, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. So lahat ng square, they are rectangle, they are also rhombus, parallelogram din siya, at at the same time, quadrilateral siya. Si rectangle naman, lahat ng rectangle ay parallelogram at quadrilateral. Lahat ng rhombus ay parallelogram at quadrilateral. Lahat ng parallelogram ay quadrilateral. Lahat ng rhombus ay quadrilateral also. So yun. So we have here, ito yung mga conclusions natin. A square can be also called rhombus, a rectangle, a parallelogram, or a quadrilateral. So simula dun sa square, pataas, yun. Lahat ng square, yung square, pwede siyang rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and quadrilateral. So pataas lang. So next, rectangle, pwede siyang parallelogram, at pwede siyang quadrilateral. Rhombus can also be called parallelogram and quadrilateral. And a parallelogram can also be called quadrilateral, and a trapezoid is a quadrilateral. So, name that quadrilateral. Ano to? This is a, what properties? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. So what is this? This is a parallelogram. Next. Properties, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Parallel daw yung opposite sides. This is a trapezoid. Alam naman natin kung ano to. So it has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. So this is a square. Anong properties ng figure na yan? It has 4 right angles. Tapos mayroon siyang opposite, ang opposite sides niya are equal. So it is a opposite sides are parallel also. It's a rectangle. So what is this? This is a properties niya. 4 sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. It's not a diamond ha. Ang diamond ay klase ng bato. Bato ang diamond. So this is a rhombus. So yan, rhombus. So that's all for this lesson. I hope natuto kayo sa classification ng quadrilaterals natin. So see you sa next video. Bye!